Guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Slack app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on preferences, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to set time zone automatically here, then just click in this sign here. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean here set time zone automatically, it's enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. So thank you for your watching.